What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the garage. It was nice to get a little vacation in there, go to the water park, enjoy the day. But, as you probably know, if you watched the last video, we do have to address this issue of my bulb being out. Now, I don't really use these fog lights a whole lot because they're red and I don't want to get in trouble. But, gotta fix it. I mean, it does look cool when it's dark out and I put the lights on. So we gotta take that bumper off once again. I finally bought one of these tools to get my clips out. I probably should have bought this a long time ago with all the times I take this stupid thing off. But it came with a whole bunch of clips. Now, I don't know if any of them are actually going to fit. As they all fall. I don't know if they're all going to fit. Or any of them, actually. But we're going to try. That way we can replace some of these clips. If not, we're going to get online, order up some new clips, because mine are toast. I've taken this off so many times, I've probably ruined it. Now this little tool is a blessing. These come out so easy. And like I said, we're going to try to replace some of these clips, because mine are toast. But for now, I think I really like this tool. Get right in there, and off it comes. Instead of taking the whole bumper off, I'm going to try to take just the driver's side clips out and see if I can reach up in there and get the fog light bulb. I don't know. I can't remember exactly what it's like back there, but we're going to try it. Alright, I think I found our problem. I'm going to try to get you guys down in there and see what I just saw. You're probably not going to be able to see, but that's funny. I don't know how this happened. There's my bulb right there. I don't know if you guys can see that. Hold on, I'll show you. There it is, right there. I don't know how that popped out. Now, it's a little tight space in there, but I think I can clip it in. Yeah, it's kind of hard to see, but I think I could just reach in there and get the bulb in. I think we have it in there. I'm not 100% sure. It's kind of just playing it by feel, but I think it's locked in there. I mean, I can pull on it. It's not coming out. We're going to give it a little test. We're going to turn the light on and see if it works. And then we'll talk about it. Because, you know, these are Wednesday little talking vlogs about our car. So we're going to talk about this, seeing how it was an issue that got brought up and I had to address it. I'd say we're all good. Must be the last time I took the bumper off. That light just came loose. Either way, I can hear my car beeping. I don't have the keys in it. But we might as well chill out. We'll talk a little bit about the Focus, about some of the stuff we have coming up. Let me know if you guys really think this is obnoxious with all the beeping. We're going to put the car back together. We're going to have a little chit chat. So I couldn't use any of those new clips I bought. Now, I mostly bought it for that tool, which, by the way, this is probably the best investment I've had in a while. Is this little tool makes taking those clips off so easy, so I don't have to struggle taking the clips off. Now, a bummer about not being able to use those clips is I had some white ones, which I thought would look pretty cool. I probably could have painted them red for like the engine, like right there. That way they would have been red, you could have seen them. But whatever. That was an easy fix. It only took a couple seconds. But the reason I did the red tint on the lights was I thought it looked cool. Now I could have bought red bulbs, would have been I think 20 bucks. Probably would have been a little brighter. The tint, I think I paid $4 for it on Amazon. I mean, it was easy, quick. You want to go see that video? I'll put it down below. Now, you know that I like doing the cheap stuff. It's what I can afford. It's what I could fit to my budget, my time schedule. Plus, we're a growing channel. If I just went all out and I did a big turbo kit, I did all the mods that I could, I wide bodied it, I really wouldn't have much content. I mean, I would have an awesome car. Don't get me wrong. I really want to do that stuff, but I would be burnt out. I would have nothing left to do, and being a small channel, I wouldn't have any other projects for you to do. Now, I want to start going to more places. I think at the end of the month, we're going to go to a classic car show, because I want to see some of the classic cars. I want to see some cool things. I want to try to go to some more of the other car meets, cruise-ins. I just want to get out there. I want to show you guys some stuff we have around here, because we are such a small town. We don't have the really big car meets or the events that like out west has. I want to show you what some of the small town stuff is like, because not a lot of people do that. I don't see a whole lot of small town stuff on YouTube because it's not flashy. You don't get hundreds of people coming to these car events. Now, I think there are two close to me where we probably will get a few 100,000, not 100,000, a few hundred or 1,000 people. So I want to try to do that. Other than that, I'm going to show you what the small town car culture is like. If you saw from one of my videos where we went to Cars and Coffee, we maybe top out at 10 cars. Now you go down PA, some of you guys down in PA, I think you guys get like 2,000 people at your Cars and Coffee. Now that's bigger than some of our car shows we have around here. But for the time being, we're going to keep going with these simple mods. I want to do some cool stuff, go to some cooler places. But like I said, the little things, we're going to grow, we're going to learn, because I suck at vinyl and tint. Tint's like the same as vinyl, so it's just a stepping stone. We're going to keep learning. We're going to do some engine stuff. We're going to learn about that. And like I said, we're going to cruise around YouTube and pick up some ideas, go to car shows, get some ideas, and we're also going to use it to learn, because I'm good with these, but I don't know a whole lot about cars. I know some about electricity and all that stuff, but as far as cars and mechanics goes, man, I'm like you guys. I watch it, and I'm just, my jaw hits the table because some of the cool things that I see that I could never do. So we're going to try to learn and apply it to this car. Now, the more I'm doing to this car, I'm starting to learn that this is kind of like my beginner car. So the car that we're going to learn on, we're going to build, but I don't want it to be like, I don't know how to put it. It's not going to be like that car. I want to grow this channel and eventually buy another car, and I mean we'll keep this car, but we're going to build a channel, and then we'll have like that car, that flashy car, that car show car, and we'll go from there. But for now, help me grow, share my stuff, get out there, help me find some more Focus stuff. I love scanning YouTube to find other Focus owners. If you're another Focus owner, share like your Instagram, Snapchat, share anything so that we can get some ideas, we can share some stuff. I'm always on the forums looking around, but I just want to get out there, I want to share some things, and I want to learn some stuff so that we can build this car to my dream Focus ST, share it with you guys, grow the channel, we'll buy another car, not sure exactly where I want to go with the next car, and we'll grow and we'll build that car, and we'll keep doing some cool stuff, and we'll go show it off. We'll have some fun doing that. We'll probably throw in some other stuff here and there, but we'll keep doing these little talks. We'll share some stuff with you guys. I know if the channel keeps growing, we get some new people. They might not go back and watch some of the install videos or our older videos. So we'll use this as a stepping stone of, hey, this is where we're at. We got some cool little things like that lights. That was cheap, easy to do. Make the car yours. But I'll see you guys in the next video. Hopefully we'll have some time from all of that junk to install something that might be really cool. I'll see you guys in the next video.